Good morning to all. See here today heights and distances. Okay, heights and distances, 5 marks questions. Okay, heights and distances, right? See here in this first question. See here in this first question. See here first here. Right, see here in this first question here. So here the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the base and top of a building are 60 and 30 degrees. The building is 20 meters high. Find the height of the tower. Right, see here first here in this given here the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Okay, top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Top of a tower. From the base and top of a building. Base and top of a building are 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Next, building height is, here building is 20 meters high. Find the height of the tower. Okay, find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay. See here first here in this diagram here. See here the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Okay, from base and height of a building are 60 and 30 degrees. Base and height. Right, see here. First, this is the tower. Okay, this is the tower. Okay, this is the tower. So next, see here, this is the tower. Next, so here this is the base. Okay, this is the base. So here height of the building is 20. So height of the building. So height of the building is, this is the building. Okay, this is 20. Okay, this is 20 meters. Okay, 20 meters. See here first here the base and top of a building are 60 and 30 degrees. Okay, base. First base here. Next top. Okay, base is 60. So here in this base is here 60. So here in this angle of elevation is, here this is 60. Okay, 60 degrees. Next, so here see next, see here next in this top the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Okay, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So here in this angle of elevation is here 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees. Okay, right? See here first here the height. Find the height of the tower. So here we calculate this height. This total height is h. Okay, this total height is h. We calculate h value. Okay, we calculate h value. Okay, see here first building height. Here in this building height is AB. Okay, AB is the building height. Next remaining tower. So in this tower height is here CD. CD is the height of the tower. Next here in this point. Here in this point is, if you take E. Okay, in this point is E. Okay. See one more time here. So the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Okay, top of a tower. From base and top of a building are 60 and 30 degrees. Base and height. See here, this is the building. Okay. So the angle of elevation is 60. So in this top, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So next, here building is 20 meters high. So in this building height is 20 meters. So find the height of the tower. So here we calculate this height, total height of the tower. Okay, height of the tower. So here this is 20. This total height is h. Okay, so this is 20. So in this distance here, in this distance is, in this distance total h, this is 20 meters. So here remove 20. Okay, so in the side length is h minus 20. Okay, this is h minus 20. Okay, right? See here next. So first here AB is equal to height of the building. So in this solution here, in this solution AB, let AB is equal to height of the building. Okay, height. Okay, height of a building. height of a building. Okay, right? So next time meaning CD is equal to here CD is equal to height of the tower. Okay, tower height. Okay, tower height. Okay, tower height. Okay, CD is equal to tower height. See here in this distance here, in this distance here, this is x meters. Okay, this is x. This is also x. This is also x here. Okay, so here AC is equal to. Okay, AC is equal to, and AC is equal to, and AC is equal to, in this distance AC is equal to BE. Here BE is equal to here x meters. Okay, x. Right, see here first triangle here, in this first triangle here, ACD triangle, tan 60. Okay, tan of 60, opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, tan 60. So here from triangle, here ACD triangle, here tan of 60, is equal to tan 60 opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is H. So that is equal to H by X. Okay, H by X. So tan 60 value, tan 60 is equal to here root of 3. Here root of 3 is equal to H by here X. So that implies here X value. So X cross multiply. X is equal to here root 3 cross multiply H by root of 3. That is equation number 1. Okay, that is equation number 1. First one. Next here second triangle, from triangle BED triangle. Next triangle from triangle, here from triangle BED. Okay, BED triangle. See here tan of 30. Here tan of 30 is equal to, see here opposite side H minus 20. So that is H minus 20 by this value is X. So tan 30 value 1 by root of 3 is equal to here H minus 20 by here X. So cross multiply X is equal to, here in this total value here X is equal to, here X cross multiply root 3 cross multiply. So that is equal to here root of 3 into H minus here 20. So that is equation number 2. Okay, first triangle, second triangle. So here from 1 and 2, see here X value, this is X value, this is also X value. These two are equal here. Okay, from 1 and 2. So here from 1 and 2, alright, see here one value here, H by root of 3 is equal to, here in this value, here root of 3 into H minus here 20. So root 3 cross multiply here, that is H is equal to, here root 3 into root 3, 3. Okay, 3 into H is 3H. Okay, 3H minus 3 into 20, 60. So 60 taking this side, this is taking this side. So therefore, taking this side here, 60 is equal to taking this side 3H minus H, that is 2H. So here 2 to get cancelled here, that implies here H is equal to here 30. Okay, H is equal to 30 meters. Okay, H is equal to 30 meters. Okay, so therefore H means here H is equal to CD. Here CD means here height of the tower. So therefore height of the tower H is equal to 30 meters. Okay, H is equal to 30 meters. This is the height of the tower. This is 5 marks question. Okay, easy problems. Remaining in this model, another problem you practice. Okay, right. See here one more time. Say first here, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. This is the tower. Okay, the angle of elevation. See here, from the base and top of the building. Okay, base and top of the building are 60 and 30 degrees. So see here, base and top of the building. This is the building. Okay, base, the angle of elevation is 60. Next top, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Okay, next, so building height is 20 meters. So here in this building height, this is the building height. This building height is 20 meters. So find the height of the tower. So here we calculate the height of the tower. So here let AB is equal to height of a building, AB. Next time CD, here CD is equal to tower height, okay, tower height. Next here in the distance here AC is equal to BE is equal to X, take X value, this value, AC is equal to BE is equal to X, okay, in this distance here, okay. Next first from triangle ACD, see here first triangle ACD triangle, ACD triangle, tan 60 is equal to, tan of 60 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side is H by X, okay, H by X. So tan 60 value root 3 is equal to H by X. So here X cross multiply, here X is equal to H by root 3, X is equal to H by root 3. That is equation number 1. Next from triangle BE, see here BED triangle, tan 30 opposite side by adjacent side, so H minus 20 by X. So tan 30 value 1 by root 3, H minus 20 by X. So X is equal to cross multiply, X is equal to root 3 into H minus 20. So that is equation number 2. So here from 1 and 2, here from 1 and 2, so X value, this is also X value. So here H by root 3 is equal to this value. So root 3 cross multiply, root 3 into root 3, 3, okay, 3 into H, 3H, 3 into 20, 60. So 60 taken inside here, 60 is equal to 3H minus H, that is 2H. So it would get cancelled here, H is equal to 30 meters. So H means height of the tower. Height of the tower is 30 meters. Okay, write this question. One more time you practice this question. Okay, right, next problem. See here in this next question. See here in this next problem. Here in the second question, here an aeroplane when flying at a height of 2000 meters passes vertically above another plane. See here 2000 meters, okay, 2000 meters passes vertically above another plane at an instant when their angles of elevations from the same point of observations are 60 and here 45 degrees, 60 and 45 degrees, okay. Find the distance between the aeroplanes. See here first here, this is the base, okay, this is the base. So vertically above 2000 meters, this distance is 2000 meters, okay, this distance is here 2000 meters, okay, 2000 meters, this distance, okay, 2000 meters. See here the angle of elevations, okay, the angle of elevations are 60 and 45 degrees, okay. Here take two planes. So this is the first plane, this is the second plane, okay, this is the second plane. So the angle of elevation of the first plane, so the angle of elevation is this angle of elevation, this is the angle of elevation is second plane, okay, right? So in this first plane, the angle of elevation of the first plane, see in this first plane here 60, okay. So second plane is 45, okay, 45. So in the second plane is this is here 45. So here this total here in this is 60, okay, this is 60, okay, total, this is total 60, okay, right? See here next, so here the distance between the aeroplanes, so first aeroplane, this is second, this distance is the total 2000 meters, okay, this take this value, okay, total to 2000 meters, okay, 2000 meters. So here this is okay, this is H, take here H, okay, this is H, this distance is H meters, okay. So here this distance is here total 2000, here remove H, this distance is here 2000 minus H, okay. See here these points here, these points are first plane is A, here in the second plane is B, okay. This point is CD is the base, okay. So AB are first plane and second plane, okay, position of the aeroplanes. See here first, this is the diagram. So here we calculate distance between the aeroplanes, H value, okay, this is the right angle triangle. See here first here, let AB is equal to, here in the solution, Right, see here in the solution here. In this solution, let AB is equal to AB is equal to distance between the aeroplanes. Okay, distance between the aeroplanes. Distance between the aeroplanes. Distance between the aeroplanes. Okay, right? So H value. We calculate H value here. See here next here from triangle. Take this triangle here. So here in this distance is take here x meters. Okay, and DC is equal to here DC is equal to here x meters. Okay, DC is equal to x. Right. First take triangle here. First triangle here ADC triangle. Okay, ADC triangle. See here from triangle. Here from triangle. Here A. Okay, DC ADC triangle. Okay, ADC triangle. Here tan of 60 in this angle is 60. Okay, in this angle is 60. Okay, in this angle is 60. So tan of 60 is equal to here tan of 60. Here tan of 60 degrees is equal to here opposite side. Opposite side is total value 2000 here. Okay, total here total distance. Okay, 2000. Here 2000 by next here this value is x. Okay, 2000 by x. See here tan of 60 value root 3. So that is equal here root of 3. Here root of 3 is equal to here 2000 by here x. So that implies here x is equal to cross multiply here 2000 by okay 2000 by root of 3. 2000 by root of 3. That is equation number 1. Okay, first triangle. Next here see second triangle here. In the second triangle here, this triangle here. Okay, BCD triangle. So BCD triangle here from BCD triangle. Okay, BCD triangle from triangle BCD. Okay, from triangle BCD here tan of 45 degrees. Here tan of 45 degrees is equal to here opposite side is 2000 minus h. Here 2000 minus h by here this is x. See here tan 45 degrees value is 1. 1 is equal to here 2000 minus h by here x. So here x value here x is equal to here 2000 minus h. That is equation number 2. Okay. So here from 1 and 2 we calculate h value. See here from 1 and 2. So here from 1 and 2. So here in this value 2000. Here 2000 by here root of 3 is equal to here in this value here 2000 minus h. So h taking this side here h is equal to here 2000. Okay, 2000 taking this side here minus 2000 by root of 3. So here 2000 is common. Next one value 1 minus 1 by here root of 3. Okay, so take LCM here. So therefore h is equal to here 2000 into, so take LCM root 3 minus 1, root of 3 minus 1 by here root of 3 here meters. Okay, meters. This is the distance between the aeroplanes. Okay, write this question, practice one time. Okay, right. See here in this next question, in this third question, here a person is at the top of a tower 75 feet high. From there he observes a vertical pole. Find the angles of depression of the top and bottom of the pole, which are 30 and 60 degrees. Okay, respectively. Find the height of the pole. Right. See here first here. A person is at the top of a tower 70 feet high. So first take tower here. So this is the tower. Okay, this is the tower. This tower height is here. This tower height is 75 feet. Okay, so here this tower height is 75 here feet, okay, right, 75 feet, okay. So this is the ground, so this is the ground, all right. See here, next, so from there observe say vertical pole, okay, vertical pole, find the angles of depression of the top and bottom of the pole. So if you take there, this is the pole, okay, this is the pole, so in this tower is here AB, so this is AB, so this is here CD, okay, this is CD is the pole, okay, right. So angles of depressions, see here, in this angles of depressions are right. See here, first here, so angles of depressions, see here, this is the right. See here, angles of depressions. So in the first depression, this is the angles of depression, okay, this one, okay, first one, the angles of depressions is 30 degrees. So in this angles of depression is, so this is 30 degrees, okay, right. So here in this angle is also 30, okay, right? This angle is also 30, this is 30, this is 30, okay. Next, see here in this bottom, so in this angle of depression is 60 degrees. So in this bottom is, so in this bottom is okay, 60, in this total 60, okay, this is total 60. So here in this angle is 60 degrees, okay, angle is 60 degrees, okay, all right. Next, see here, so find the height of the pole. So this is the height, so height of the pole is, your height of the pole is h, okay, this is h, we calculate h value, okay, right, we calculate h value. So this is also h, okay, this is also h, okay, this is also h, okay, right, this is also h. All right. See here, in this distance total, here in this total distance is 75 feet, okay, right? So this total is 75. So in this distance is here 75, here minus h, okay, 75 minus h, this distance, okay. All right. See here, first here AB, here AB is equal to tower height, okay, AB is equal to tower height. See here in the solution here, in the solution, right, let AB is equal to, here in the solution here, let AB is equal to height of the tower, okay, tower height, here tower height, AB is equal to tower height, okay, right. Next time here CD, is equal to, and CD is equal to, okay, pole height. See here, pole height, okay, pole height, right. See here, first here in this distance is x meters, in this distance is also x meters, okay, right? So here AC is equal to, here ABCD, this point is E, okay, AC is equal to ED. See here, let AC is equal to here ED is equal to, here take x here, okay, x, the distance is x. So first triangle, see here, first triangle here ABC triangle, first triangle ABC triangle, tan 60, opposite side by adjacent side. So here from triangle ABC triangle, see here from triangle ABC, see here tan of 60 is equal to, here tan of 60 degrees is equal to, see here tan of 60 is equal to opposite side, total distance is 75. So that is 75 by, so in this distance is x here. See here, tan 60 value root 3. So that is root of 3 is equal to 75 by x. So that implies here x is equal, cross multiply, x is equal to 75 by, here root of 3, 75 by root of 3. That is equation number 1, okay. Right, take your second triangle here, in the second triangle, so in this triangle here, okay, BDE triangle, from triangle BDE, so here from triangle BDE triangle, here tan of 30 degrees, here tan of 30 degrees is equal to, here tan 30 is equal to opposite side is 75 minus h by, here this value is x. See here tan of 30 value is 1 by root of 3, 1 by root 3 is equal to, here 75 minus h by, here this value is x. So cross multiply, so that implies x is equal to, so that implies x is equal to here root 3 into this value. So that is your root 3 into here 75 minus h, 75 minus h, that is equation number, here that is equation number 2. So here from 1 and 2 x value, this is also x value. So from 1 and 2, so here from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, so here in this x value here, this is, these two are equal here, okay, 75 by root of 3, 75 by root 3 is equal to here root of 3, here root of 3 into here 75 minus h. See here root 3 cross multiply, so that is 75 is equal to root 3 into 3, 3 into 75, 3 into 75 is 225 minus 3 into root 3, 3 into h is here 3h, okay. So that implies 3h is equal to here 3h, here 3h is equal to, see here 3h, okay, taking this side here, taking this side here, okay, in this value remove 75, that is equal to here 150, okay, 150, okay, here h value, here 3 get cancelled here, that implies h is equal to 3 5 times, okay. So that is equal here 50, that is equal to 50 feet, here feet given, so 50 feet, okay, height is 50 feet. So h means, so h is equal to CD, here CD is equal to height of the pole, so therefore height of the pole is equal to, therefore height of the pole, height of the pole is equal, height of the pole, h is equal to 50 feet, okay, h is equal to 50 feet, h is equal to 50 feet, okay, right? One time practice this question, write this question. Right, next problem, share in this next question. Right, in this next question, say the shadow of a tower, the shadow of a tower standing on a level plane is found to be 50 meters, longer when sun's altitude is 30 degrees. Right, see here, when sun's altitude is 30 degrees, then when it is 60, okay, then it is 60, find the height of the tower, See here in this question here, the shadow of a tower standing on a level plane, okay, shadow of a tower. See here, first this is the plane, okay, this is the plane, okay, this is the tower, okay, this is the tower, right, see here, so here this is the tower, okay, this is the tower, okay, AB is the tower, AB, okay, AB is the tower, right, here this is the shadow, this is the shadow, okay, right? This is the shadow, right, see here, so 50 meters longer when sun's altitude is 30 degrees, then when it is 60 degrees, okay. So first here take this point is C, here this point is take D, okay, so in this distance is 50 meters, so in the distance is 50 meters, so this is 50 meters in this distance, okay. So here the angles of elevations are 30 and to 60, so 30 to 60, so this is 30, okay, this is 30, okay, this is 30, okay, right. Then it is 50 meters longer, then this angle of elevation is here 60, okay, this is 60, okay, this is 60 degrees given data. So here find the height of the tower, so here height tower, so in this tower height is here, in this tower height is h, okay, this height is h, we calculate h value, right. See here in this distance here, AD is equal to x meters, take x here, AD value x, okay, AD value x. So here we calculate this height, okay, this height, so height of the tower, okay, height of the tower, right. First here let AB is equal to, see in this solution here, let AB is equal to, height of the tower, okay, height of the tower, tower height. Okay, and next time this distance here AD, and AD is equal to, here AD is equal to x, AD is equal to x. Right, first take these triangles here. So in this first triangle and second triangle. So here first triangle here ABC triangle. Okay, ABC triangle. So here from triangle ABC. So here from triangle ABC. Here from triangle ABC triangle is 30 degrees. So that is tan of 30. Here tan of 30 degrees is equal to, tan of 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side is x plus 50. So that is equal to h by, here x plus 50, x plus 50. So tan 30 value 1 by root of 3. 1 by root of 3 is equal to h by x plus 50, x plus 50. So here cross multiply. Here in this cross multiply, x plus 50 is equal to, so that implies here x plus 50, here x plus 50 is equal to, here h into root 3. Okay, that is root of 3, here root of 3 h. So here x value, so therefore x is equal to, here 50 taking this side here. So that is root 3 h, here minus 50. So that is equation number 1. Next, see here second triangle here. So in this triangle ABD triangle, second triangle. So here from triangle ABD, see here from triangle ABD triangle, here tan of 60, here tan of 60 degrees is equal to, tan of 60 degrees is equal to, here opposite side is h by, here adjacent side is here x. So here tan 60 value root of 3. So that is root of 3 is equal to h by x. So that implies, so here x cross multiply, that is x is equal to h by, here root of 3, h is equal to x by root 3. Okay, that implies 2. That is equation number 2. So here from 1 and 2, here x value, this is also x value. So here from 1 and 2, so here from 1 and 2, so here in this value h by root 3, h by root of 3 is equal to, here in this value root of 3, okay, root of 3 h minus here 50. So cross multiply, that is h is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3h minus root 3 into 50. So that is 50 root of 3. So taking this side, this is taking this side. So that is 50 root 3. Here 50 into root of 3 is equal to 3h minus h is 2h. Okay, so that implies, so 2 to get cancelled here, that is h is equal to 25 root 3, 25 root 3. Okay, 25 root 3 meters. Okay, meters. Okay, right? Write this question. Okay, one more time you also practice. Write this question. Alright, next problem. See here in this next question. See here in the next question. Say a person at the top of a hill, observes that the angles of depressions of two consecutive kilometer stones. Okay, a person at the top of a hill observes that the angles of depressions of two consecutive stones, say on a road leading to the foot of the hill. Okay, leading to the foot of the hill and the same vertical plane, containing the position of the observers are 30 and 60 degrees. Okay, 30 and 60 degrees. Find the height of the hill. Alright, see here. So first here, so this is the hill. Okay, this is the hill. Okay, so this is the ground. Okay, see here, first here, a person at the top of a hill, okay, that the angles of depressions of two consecutive kilometer stones. Okay, 2 kilometer stones. So first stone, this is AB is the height of the hill. Okay, next meaning two consecutive stones. First stone is C, here second stone is D. So in the total distance here 1 kilometer. Okay, See here, kilometer stones here, kilometer, okay, kilometer stone. So here that is 1 kilometer, distance is 1 kilometer, DC. Okay, 2 stones here, first stone, second stone, total distance 1 kilometer. See the angles of depressions here, the angles of depressions are 30 and 60 degrees, okay, 30 and 60 degrees. See here, first here the angles of depressions. So here the angles of depressions, okay. So first here this angle of depression, this is this one, okay. Next meaning here this one, okay. See here, right. See here the angles of depression. This depression is this is here. First one is 30, okay. This is 30. Next here this total distance is 60 angle, okay. So this is 30 means this is 30, okay. This is 30 degrees. So in this angle is 60. This angle is 60 degrees, okay. So here we calculate height of the hill. So height of the hill is h. So in this height is h. In this height is h. Okay. Right. We calculate h value. Height of the hill. Right. See here. So this is 1 kilometer. So in this distance is x meters. Okay. AD x. Oh, right. First here let AB is equal to h is equal to height of the hill. Okay. Height of the hill. Right. See here. Right, see first in the solution here let AB is equal to, here AB is equal to h is equal to hill height, okay, hill height, okay, and next meaning here AD, here AD is equal to, here AD is equal to x, AD is equal to x, okay, AD is equal to x. Right, take first triangle and second triangle. See here first triangle here 60 degrees, okay, take this one. So first triangle is ABD triangle, okay, ABD triangle, first triangle. So from triangle ABD, so here from triangle ABD triangle, here ABD triangle tan of 60, so that is tan of 60 is equal to, tan of 60 degrees is equal to, okay, opposite side by adjacent side, so that is h by x. So tan 60 value root of 3. So that is root of 3 is equal to h by x. So that implies x value, x is equal to h by root of 3, x value. So that is equation number 1. Next time in second triangle, see here from triangle ABC triangle. From triangle ABC triangle, so a tan of 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side is x plus 1. So a tan of 30, here tan of 30 degrees is equal to, here opposite side is h by, here this value is x plus 1. See here tan 30 value 1 by, here root of 3 is equal to h by, here x plus 1. So that implies, see here cross multiply x plus 1 is equal to here root of 3 h. So here x value. So therefore x is equal to 1 taken this side here. So that is root of 3 h minus 1. So that is equation number 2. So here from 1 and 2 we calculate h value. Here from 1 and 2. So x value, this is also x value. So from 1 and 2 these two are equal here. So here from 1 and 2, see here in this value h by root 3, h by root of 3 is equal to, here in this value, here root of 3 h minus 1. So cross multiply, so that is h is equal to root 3 into root 3, here 3h minus root 3 into 1 is here root of 3, here root 3 taking this idea, root of 3 is equal to 3h minus h, that is 2h. So that implies h value, h is equal to cross multiply, that is root 3 by, here root of 3 by 2, okay, here distance here kilometers given, okay, right. So that is h value, height of the hill is h is equal to root 3 by 2, okay, root 3 by 2. Right, one more time practice these questions, okay. Here in the exam, final exam, in this models coming in exam, okay, maximum 99%, these 5 problems, 1 question coming, or in case of missing, just changing numerical values only, okay. Your textbook only 5 models here in this, important, okay. So one more time you also practice these questions. Okay, one question coming, easy problems, don't buy it. First understood concept and diagram, first diagram. Okay, next theory easy. Only take triangles, two triangles from 1 and 2. Okay, these two are equal. All problems are same. Okay, today class finish. Okay, next continuation next class. Okay, today also one more time practice. I send WhatsApp this video, okay, in YouTube. Okay, any doubt coming? One more time see that video. Okay, right? Today class finish. Today one more time practice 5 sums. Okay, right, next chapter. Okay, next class. Okay, right.